Hey, what up y'all, it's Dewytree. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in so much, and thank you guys for the newbies. Welcome to the outrageous family. Check your girl out, subscribe right down here, give it a thumbs up, like, comment. You know what you have to do. Follow me on my Snapchat, follow me on my Instagram. I post daily, mostly on Snapchat, and follow my page on Facebook if you want to be part of the outrageous family. But in today's video, I will be talking about face masks because someone told me, wait, what about face masks? Do they also really help with skincare? Yes, they do. And I'm gonna be starting off with some face masks what I use from Korean brands and some from European brands. So let's get straight into face masks. Face masks have like all different type of face masks, but I am talking about today about the gel and the sheet face masks and what different types it has and how you can use it in your skincare routine just to get a cleaner, glowy, radiant skin. So anyway, Korean brand, I would say in Korea, face mask was really a big thing, you know, and then it came here in late 2000, I would say, because you could not buy face masks here in Europe. But my mom, her friend is Korean, and I heard about talking about Korean skincare products, and I was looking it up, watching it on YouTube, ordering from Wish Trend. I remember all those back in the days, you know, that was like the late 2000, I would say. And then it keep on getting more and more hype, and it turned out to be a common thing to use now, face masks. And face masks, you can get it all over. You can get like the animal ones, you can get like the cucumber ones, fruits, veggies, all different types. But anyway, today I'm going to talk about these right here. So we're starting off with a gel mask. One gel mask what I really love using is the NEUTROGENA Hyper Boost Intense Moisturizing Mask. I use this always a night before I fly, like say like if I'm flying home to the Trinidad or long distance flights or whatsoever where I fly. I always use this, and like when I'm in Trinidad I use the one that have it like in a cube thing, like, so I use that, and this is really good, a gel mask. Even if I'm on the plane, I will take 2 more of these. And before I use the second mask, I always have like a bottle of water, wash my face, and then use the other mask, so that, you know, my skin is clean and still hydrating at the same time in this air, up in the air. Everybody know plain air is so bad. But anyway, this is a gel mask. Then I'm coming in with a brightening mask, and this is from Dewytree. I love this. Might come off a little bit yellow, you might not see this very well, but this is a face mask from Dewytree, and I love Dewytree products. This is a next Korean brand, but it's merchandise in Germany so that we can get it here in Europe, if you understand what I mean. So they send it from Korea to Germany, and they spread it like all over or whatsoever. Well, this is for dull skin. Sometimes your skin could get dull and you need like a brightening mask. If you party a day before and your skin is like really dull, not hydrated, you can use a brightening mask, and then you can use your normal moisturizer, and then swoop, you got back all that moisture in your skin. So this is a vitamin brightening mask. This is very good. And the thing about it, certain masks, they have liquid, like the gel masks have liquid, but this mask right here, it's more of a cream form, so you get a lot of moisturizer, as a moisturizing and brightening serum inside of this one. So these masks are really good. Then this is nearly the same thing, but it's from a different brand. It's the Pearl Essence, and this is in a liquid form. This is a vitamin C pearl extract sheet face mask. And the thing about this is have a lot of vitamin C, just pure vitamin C in this, so be careful with this type of mask, and you have to leave this on for 20 minutes. Most masks I would leave on for 10 to 15, but when it has like pure natural ingredients inside, please leave it on really for 20 minutes so that the product can really do its doing on your face. Then I have like mask here from Real Nature. This is also a Korean brand, and like I said, I'm really into Korean skincare. If you want to know more about this, please leave comment down below about Korean black girls with Korean brands, or generally any skin type with or skin color with Korean brands, if we can use these products as well. So comment down below and I will answer all your comments or whatsoever. This brand is Real Nature, and I ordered these off of Amazon. I got like 15 masks in one box, and this was really good. So we're starting off with this mask first here, because I think like it's come with different types, but this is aloe vera and this is a hydrating mask as well. And what I noticed with this sheet mask here is like this stuff really, once you put it on and you leave it on for the first 5 minutes, you actually feel your skin a little bit tingling, because your skin is sucking it up. And this is a very good. I love the products from Real Nature. Like I said, everything will be listed down below. And this right here from Real Nature is a firming mask. Well, like I said, it have different type of masks with different type of products in it. They are hydrating, they are firming, brightening, for dullness, for hyperpigmentation, all those stuff. And these masks are really good. And this is a firming mask. Everybody know this product right here is very good for your face and everything. It's a grenade. So I really love products from Real Nature. Everything will, like I said, will be listed down below. And last but not least, from Dewytree, this is a melting chow mask. So this mask right here, it provides moisture and it just make your face, oh my god, I love using this mask. Like when I'm in the Caribbean, I love using this mask. These masks you can get by Douglas, or you can order it straight off of Dewytree. But oh my goodness, it's like it makes your skin really like smooth, and like you actually feel like the tightness on your skin is amazing. This is really amazing. And sometimes you can use face masks before you, once you put on like your essence on your face or your mist, then you can put on a face mask and leave that on. Do what you have to do around your apartment, house, whatsoever. Take off the face mask, massage the rest all in, and then put on your moisturizer and then your sunscreen. Don't forget your sunscreen, ladies. This step I noticed really helped me with my skin, and it just makes your face look more brighter, clearer and smoother. So that was really good. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and if you love these face masks, leave a comment down below. I will text everything about it, and also in the description box. I would like to say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you really like it, and see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye.